Hello everyone, I am Dave from HDM Db2 Ireland. I'll be demonstrating the exact process for deploying Next Gen Db2 on Amazon EKS Kubernetes platform using modern GitOps approach. We leverage Helm for packaging and Argo CD for automated continuous delivery. By using GitHub as a single source of truth, we ensure our deployments are drastically faster, smoother, and easier, guaranteeing a robust and fully GitOps-driven environment. Db2 Next Gen is a modernized Helm-based Universal Operator for deploying Db2 warehouse on OpenShift and Kubernetes, replacing the legacy OLM with enhanced HA and policy enforcement. This is a tech preview supporting Db2 v12.3 non-production only, and the tarball must be requested via technical support case. Before I jump into the deployment steps, let me show you how the tarball looks like. There are two different folders, Db2 operator and Db2 instance. With the Argo CD YAML, we are going to overwrite the deployment YAML inside the template, and we'll be using Helm templating for our deployment. Here I am on Amazon EKS cluster. We need to change this Argo CD server from cluster IP to load balancer server. I need to edit the server and change the cluster IP to load balancer servers. I need to save this. Now there you go. I need to take this. This is going to be my Argo CD web interface. Now, here is my Argo CD web interface on Amazon EKS, and this is a load balancer service. So admin, this command gives us the password, and for this setup end to end, I'm going to have a vlog coming in very soon. And for that, please keep your eye on the IBM blog page. Let's have this password, and here you go. To add Db2 operator repository, we need to click on the connect repo, then HTTPS. This is my repository where I have pushed Db2 operator, username and GitHub access token. Let's connect it, and we can see it is successfully connected. For Db2 operator Argo CD application deployment, we need to click on new app and edit YAML. This is my Argo CD YAML to go over the charts which is available in this repository URL, and my Db2 operator charts are in charts-db2 operator, and my target version is v01, and I need to pass this Helm values, like where the namespace I want to deploy my Db2 operator and platform is K8s. Image repository will be icr.io db2u db2 operator and tag is 0.1, and let's create the Db2 operator. Db2 operator application is created. Let's see. We can see that Kubernetes resources are now available, and the operator pod is initializing within few minutes, and it's very fast process. So within few minutes the operator pod will be up and running, and we can see that it's up and running live. It's not even a minute. It pulled the image from icr.io. Let's go and create Db2U instance. I'm gonna create Db2 warehouse MPP first, and then Db2 OLTP. This is a Helm templating method to deploy Db2 instance and Db2 operator. And in the help values, the important part is to change this to Db2 warehouse, and it's gonna pick up from the values.yaml, and it's gonna overwrite the template, Db2 instance YAML template, and the image is icr.io. Tag will be 1213, which is our tech preview non-production image, and the storage class name I'm using EFS Terraform storage class and EBS Terraform storage class, and let's create it. We can see that Db2 warehouse MPP resources are getting created now. This is very nice to see how the Kubernetes resources are getting created in front of our eye, which is very hard to see in the backend clusters, where with the help of Argo CD technical web interface, I must say, we can observe all the resources are getting created. Even it pulled the image from icr.io, and the pod is initializing. Now we can see in few minutes of time the pod log has started, and the Db2 engine is starting. Seeing the pod log, I can say Db2 warehouse MPP pods are ready. This is the head pod, and we can see both the pods, head pod and worker pod, both the pods are ready. And this process using GitOps principle, using Argo CD, gives us the easy, faster and smooth deployment of Db2 operator and Db2 instance. Now let's do another deployment of Db2 OLTP. So again, Argo CD YAML, and make sure the deployment is Db2 OLTP and the storage class is as per customer's preference. Save this, create it, and let's wait for the Kubernetes resources, which are like pretty cool and like pretty fast. Argo CD basically syncs your GitHub repository with the latest commit ID, and that is here as we can see. Let's check out the Db2 OLTP pod now. You can see the pod logs has started, Db2 engine is getting ready, and Db2 OLTP pod is up and running now on Amazon EKS. So here is the entire blog how to deploy Next Gen Db2 operator and Db2 instance on Amazon EKS. Please also check out the video by Tony Sinclair and the team on Db2 Next Gen intro vlog. I'm going to put this link in the description. To read about more on GitOps and Argo CD, please do follow this Argo CD official website. To learn more and more information, please go through these documents. Links are in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.